thing. All I just want is just service. That's it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Like I'm a certified paralegal for the state of New Jersey too, as well. So I mean, so if it's got to the point where I got to place legal action out, then that's what'll happen. You know what I mean? No disrespect, but that's how the game goes. I spent like $500 over here. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? And here it is. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta go over here to my car. My fucking rim in my hand. Had to go back and get that. Cause nobody don't know what shit's at. You know what I mean? Parked my car over here. I never moved it. Still right here. And this is where the problem comes in at. This is the problem where the problem comes in at. You know, when you get to this part of the fucking car, you know what I mean? My shit was good. My car was good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? They come back creating more problems for my shit to be able to just come home. I'm just for me to be able to leave out of here. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Shit's broken. I never had my shit like this. Only reason why I went here is to see if my tire was in there. And then it was covered up with all this paper and shit. So I went back in there. It's like, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? So you don't see us think it's some photoshopped ass video. You know what I'm saying? Everything's still the same. I really don't have time for this type of stuff. But I just want my property back. And that's about it. Not a penny more, not a penny less.